Everybody needs a boost or a step up now and then, especially if you've got a four-wheel drive van like mine that's lifted up, or you've got an RV that doesn't have a built-in step. And for situations like that, I recommend a folding stool. And I'm going to talk about the one that I've got here. I've used it a while now and it works well, so I can recommend it. It is sold on Amazon, and I'll put the link below. It supports 300 pounds and comes in a number of, or a variety of colors and designs. This one's camouflage. And the selling point, or what really I liked about it, is that it's actually made in the United States. Most of these folding step stools that you see online are made in other countries, so it's kind of nice that somebody made this here in the US. I'll show you how it works real quick. The sides fold in and it just collapses just like that. Makes it easy to put out of the way somewhere. I actually use some bungee cords and strap it on the back of a chair that I've got inside the van, and then when I need it I just take it out. It locks into the side grooves. Set it on a flat surface and you're ready to get inside your vehicle. So when you reach my age, something like this is great on your knees. I also have two senior dogs that they use it to jump in and out of the van now. They've figured out that it's a lot easier to use this than trying to jump all the way up there. So, it doesn't have a brand name, just says folding step stool, sturdy, storable. So I will put a link below again, like I said, if anybody's interested in buying one for their vehicle or around your house.